So today we will do the computation of correlation coefficient for continuous random variables. This is our today's topic, right? So what is the question? Question is the independent variables x and y, these are the random variables, are defined as f of x is equal to 4ax and x is lying between 0 to r, right? And then we have 0 otherwise. This is x, and f of y that we have given that this is 4by with the variable b. Okay, इसमें constant आ रहा है 0 less than y less than or equal to x, 0 and it's otherwise, right? Now the question is find correlation, find correlation between u and v, which is equal to b minus a upon b plus a, so that u is equal to, what is u is defined here, u is equal to x plus y and v is equal to x minus y, right? So we have to find the correlation. Now, in order to find out the correlation, you have to find out the covariance between u and v, then the sigma u and sigma v. So when it comes to sigma u, yani sigma u square, it means what you want to find? You want to find the expectation of u square and expected value of u, right? सो एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू ऑफ यू फाइंड आउट करने से पहले अब ये जो है यहाँ पे, अब आपका जो वेरिएबल है एक्स है, यहाँ पे जो गिवन है इट इज गिवन टू बी एक्स एंड वाई, राइट? बट नाउ आपके इसमें एक कांस्टेंट एक जो आ रहा है, ये एक अननोन क्वांटिटी आ रही है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस अननोन क्वांटिटी. नाउ आई एम कमिंग टू इट्स प्रूफ. अननोन क्वांटिटी जो है उसको रिमूव, उसको फाइंड आउट करने के लिए व्हाट यू विल डू, यू नो एरिया अंडर कर्व, द एरिया अंडर कर्व इज ऑलवेज इक्वल टू 1. जब हम x एक रैंडम वेरिएबल की बात कर रहे हैं and we have the PDF and the area under the curve, this is equal to 1, right? So you will write since the यहाँ पे आप लिख लो as the total area under the curve is unity. ठीक है जी, ये हमने इसीलिए लिखा. So it implies, now you will put the value here. So this is equal to integration 0 to r. You will put the value, that is 4a will be here into x into dx is equal to 1, right? It implies 4a into x square by 2 in x square by 2 is equal to 1. So this comes out to be आपने इसकी वैल्यू पुट करते, दिस इज 4a into r square divided by 2 is equal to 1 and this comes out to be, I'm coming to the next page. So it implies what you will have, you have 2 r square is equal to 1. It implies what you want to find out, a. So a is equal to, you have 1 by 2 r square. ठीक है जी. Also similarly integration 0 to s f of y dy, this is equal to 1. f by dy, this is equal to 1. right? This is equal to 1. It implies integration. फटाफट से calculate करेंगे 0 to we have given the value as y dy and here the coefficient is for b. So similarly, this is equal to 1. It implies 2bs square. When you will put in, you will solve the integral. You have this value. It is 1. It implies b is equal to 1 by 2s square. So first of all, we have to calculate the value of the unknown things given in the PDF. So we have calculated. So it implies what is our f of x? So what is our f of x? F of x is equal to. So it implies f of x क्या बन गया आपका? F of x था 4 into a into x. So ये बन गया 4 into 2x upon r square. ठीक है जी? That is, sorry, it's 1 by 2r square. So this becomes 2x upon r square. 0 less than x less than or equal to. Similarly, what is f of y? F of y becomes 4 into b into y. So you will put the value 4 into b was 1 by 2s square into y. This becomes 2y upon s square and the limits are lying between 0 to y, 0 and s. So this is the value of the PDF f of x and f of y, right? Since x and y are independent variables, so it implies the correlation coefficient between them is equal to 0. And what does it mean? It means covariance between x and y is equal to 0. So now in order to calculate the correlation between u and v, we have to find out covariance between uv upon sigma u and sigma v. So one by one we will calculate according to this formula and we will use the covariance between x and y as 0, and also when x and y are independent expected of xy, again this will be equal to expected 1 and the same thing jahan bhi hame zarurat padegi then we will use it. So now we will find out covariance between u and v. So u, the value of u is covariance between x plus y and x minus y. So we have directly the formula of, हम इसको open कर लेंगे pairing के साथ. This is covariance between x and x plus covariance between x and minus y plus covariance between y and x, then plus covariance between y and minus y. तो अब आप क्या करेंगे? माइनस जो है ये यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, यहाँ पे माइनस लगा रही हूँ, ये प्लस हो जाएगा और यहाँ पे आपका ये माइनस, नेक्स्ट स्टेप में आपका ये निकल आएगा, राइट? So covariance between x and y, and so what you are left with? Covariance between x and x minus covariance between xy plus covariance between y and x, right? Minus covariance between y and y. So this is equal to 0. When x and y are independent, covariance between xy is 0, covariance between yx is also 0. So you are left with only two terms, covariance between x and x minus covariance between y and y. And you know that what is the covariance between x? This is sigma x square and this is sigma y square. So let it be number 1. So we have converted covariance between u and v in terms of sigma x square and sigma y square. यहाँ पे काम नहीं खत्म होता. It means अब मुझे क्या find out करना है यहाँ से? हमें यहाँ से sigma x का फॉर्मूला मतलब expected of u मुझे निकालना और expected of u square निकालना है, right? Now next is अब फॉर्मूला आपका कोवेरियंस का कन्वर्ट किसमें हो गया? सिग्मा एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस सिग्मा वाई स्क्वायर. लेट इट बी स्टार. अब कोरिलेशन के फॉर्मूले में कौन पड़ा है उसको ध्यान में रखें पहले. we have to find out sigma u and sigma y. So first of all we will find out variance of u. So this is variance of x plus y, right? This is variance of x, variance of y plus 2 times covariance between x and y, and this comes out to be 0 because x and y are independent. This is sigma y square plus 0 implies sigma x square plus sigma y square, right? Similarly, I will not elaborate variance of v, यहाँ पे x minus y है, variance of x minus y. So when you will solve it, but you will get the same. Here you will get in case -2, again covariance between x, y is 0. So this comes out to is again sigma x square plus sigma y square. Right? Now substitute star, double star, triple star. In number 1, what was number 1? This was number 1. ये number 1 था जो आपने लिखा r between u and v. So now putting all the values, therefore r between u and v is equal to covariance between u and v divided by sigma u and sigma v. So this is sigma x square minus sigma y square. और वो दोनों किस में आ जाएंगे? आपको किस में चाहिए? सिग्मा x square plus sigma y square its square root, क्योंकि वो वेरिएंस फाइंड आउट किया है. दिस इज स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन. So this comes out to be sigma x square minus sigma y square upon sigma x plus sigma y square. So you are left with this. Now the next question is to find out the value of sigma x and sigma y with the help of the PDF f of x and f of y. Now let it be number 2 expression. Now we will calculate sigma x square, sigma y square. यही दो चाहिए. अब sigma x square किस पे डिपेंडेंट है? This is expectation of x square minus expectation of x its whole square. It means आपको एक निकालना है expectation of x, एक निकालना है expectation of x whole square. ठीक है जी? Sorry, expectation of x square and expectation of. So expectation of x, the limits are from 0 to r x into f of x dx. So this is integration 0 to r, and f of x we have now 2x upon r square. So when you will solve it, what you will get? 2r by 3. So this you will get 2r by 3. ठीक है जी? इंटेग्रेट करेंगे, x square है, x cube by 3 हो जाएगा. Now what is expectation of? This is 0 to r again, x square into f of x dx. This is again 0 to r x square into 2x upon r square. I'm just writing the final answer. This comes out to be r square by 2. Similarly, sigma y square. This is expectation of y square minus expectation of y its whole square. So we will find expected value of y in the same way. This is integration 0 to x y into f of y dy. So you will substitute the value here 0 to s y into what is the value of f of y? We have this is 2y upon s square into dy. So same you will get the same value 2s by 3. ठीक है जी? Similarly you will get expected of y square as s square by 2. मैंने डायरेक्टली वहीं से देख के कॉपी कर ली है. Now you will put the values of this expected of x and expected of x square in sigma x square and sigma y square. ठीक है जी? So इसको number 3 दे देते हैं. Then the whole is number 4. So putting the values 3 and 4 in sigma x square and sigma y square. On putting 3 and 4 in sigma x square and sigma y square respectively. Right? So we get क्या आया हमारे पास? So sigma x square is equal to, when you will put the values, this is r square by 2 minus 4r square by 9. This comes out to be r square by 18. And what is the value of r in terms of a? क्योंकि आपका final answer s और r में नहीं है, the final answer in a. Similarly, sigma y square, that comes out to be same, it are exactly same 136b. Therefore, put all values of sigma x square and sigma y square in number 2. Therefore, RUV is equal to, so you will put the values 1 by 36a minus 1 by 36b, right? Same with the plus sign, 1 by 36a plus 1 by 36b. And that comes out to be, after solving, b minus a upon b plus a. So this is all about the numerical computation of the correlation coefficient of continuous variables. Now let's come to the next question. Question number 2. Let the random variable x, let the random variable x have the marginal density function means f1 x दिया है हमें. This is equal to 1 when x is lying between -1 by 2 to 1 by 2. This is the marginal density function. And let the conditional density function is of y. It means conditional density matlab y is dependent upon x. So f of y is not given. We have given f of y given x. How it is spoken? F of y given x, right? So this is equal to 1. दो वैल्यूज आएंगे इसमें क्योंकि y डिपेंडेंट है. y डिपेंडेंट है x पे. इसका मतलब y की जो वैल्यूज है they are lying between x and x is independent. So it is lying between x and -1 by 2 and 0. Same the value again minus x and y is lying between minus x and 1 minus x and x is independent 0 to 1 by 2. क्योंकि total interval -1 by 2 to 1 by 2 है. So here we have break the interval from -1 by 2 to 0 to 1 by 2. Now the question is what they want. Prove that the variables x and y are uncorrelated. You want to prove that the uncorrelated means you have to prove that rxy is equal to 0. It implies to prove just we have to prove covariance between x and y is equal to 0. Right? There is no need to find out sigma u sigma v because the whole rxy जो है अगर वो 0 है it's only dependent upon covariance between x and y is equal to 0. Sigma u sigma v can't be 0 because they come in denominator. So इसके according now we will proceed further. Now come to its solution. Now first of all अब कोवेरियंस बिटवीन एक्स वाई इज इक्वल टू 0 का क्या मतलब है. ठीक है, ये कैसे आएगा 0. इट इम्प्लाइज एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ एक्स वाई माइनस एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ एक्स इनटू एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ वाई जो है वो 0 होना चाहिए. ठीक है जी. अब 0 इसका मतलब ये क्वांटिटी 0 पॉसिबिलिटी क्या है कि ये भी 0 हो जाए. इसमें से अगर एक 0 हो जाए बिकॉज बेटा ये हम एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ y जो है वो हमारे लिए प्रॉब्लम बन जाए बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव गिवन द डेंसिटी. मार्जिनल डेंसिटी फंक्शन ऑफ y इज नॉट गिवन. वी हैव गिवन द कंडीशनल डेंसिटी फंक्शन, राइट. So it means first of all we will try to find out expectation of x. Now expectation of x, this is equal to marginal is simple -1 by 2 to 1 -1 by 2 to 1 by 2 x into f1x dx, right. This is equal to when you will solve it by putting the values. What is the value of f1? It's simple, it's 1 dx. So when you will solve it, x square by 2 limits from -1 by 2 to 1 by 2. So that comes out to be 0. Your expectation is 0, it means this part is 0. So only possibility left is भी अगर ये भी 0 हो जाए तो total covariance जो है वो 0 हो जाएगा. So now we will find out expectation of xy. So before coming to this, because we have to put the formula expectation of xy. So what we will write, if f of xy is the joint PDF of x and y, right? Then how you will write the joint PDF in terms of conditional? This is f of y given x into f of x. So this is the formula which is equal to f y upon x into 1. So that comes out to be f y upon x. सो जॉइंट पीडीएफ क्यों चाहिए मुझे जॉइंट पीडीएफ? क्योंकि बेटा एक्स और वाई दो रैंडम वेरिएबल्स का जॉइंट पीडीएफ लिखने के लिए मुझे एफ ऑफ एक्स वाई चाहिए. सो इट हैज बीन कन्वर्टेड इनटू द कंडीशनल फंक्शन. सो नाउ we will find out expectation of xy. So expectation of xy जो है, this will be the double integral xy into f. सिंपल ये बेटा फॉर्मूला होता है, मैंने सिर्फ एक अभी जनरल फॉर्मूला लगाया. ठीक है जी. अब दो पार्ट्स में इसको स्प्लिट करना है क्योंकि दो लिमिट्स है. वन इज -1/2 to 0, द अदर इज 0 to 1/2. ठीक है जी. इसमें ये मैंने जनरल फॉर्मूला लिखा. Don't get confused. This is a general formula. So I am coming to the, अब x इंडिपेंडेंट है, पहले लिमिट लगाई -1 to 0. फिर आज आगे आएंगी y की लिमिट्स. y की लिमिट्स x to x plus 1. ठीक है जी. फिर x इंटू, अब यहाँ पे f of xy जो है, अब यहाँ पे f of xy किसका काम कर रहा है? f of xy काम कर रहा है f of y by x का. ठीक है जी. You will write dx and dy plus integration 0 to 1/2. Then we have the limits here, minus x to 1 minus x. Again you will write here x into f of y by x dx dy. राइट. अब यहाँ पे सबसे पहले मुझे सॉल्व करना है इसको. इसकी वैल्यू क्या है? इस लिमिट के अंदर इसकी वैल्यू 1 है. सो यू विल राइट हियर -1/2 to 0. राइट. अब x आप बाहर ले लेंगे क्योंकि पहले आपने y को सॉल्व करना है. x to x plus 1. ठीक है जी. इसकी वैल्यू मैंने लगा दी 1 विद रिस्पेक्ट टू y क्योंकि ये लिमिट्स किसकी हैं? y की. अब यहाँ मेरा dx है, तो बस ये ब्रैकेट्स का जो है आपने ध्यान रखना है बिकॉज वी हैव गिवन y as डिपेंडेंट एंड x as इंडिपेंडेंट. प्लस सेम हियर 0 to 1/2. यहाँ पे x आपका बाहर -x to 1 minus x. The value of f of ix in this interval, this is given to be 1 into dy, and here is your dx. Right? Oh, so I have मैं यहाँ पे y लिखना भूल गई हूँ. Here you will write y also. कि ये तो चलेगा ना. I'm just putting the value of f of xy, that is f of yx, and it is given to be 1. So here you will have y into and y into. Ultimately you have to integrate y. So let's integrate y. So when you will integrate y, what you will get? You will get y square by 2. But you will get y square by 2. So this is integration -1 to 0x into, here is y square by 2. The limits are from x to x plus 1 into dx. अभी सिर्फ y जो है वो evaluate होएगा. ठीक है जी. Then 0 to 1/2, again y square by 2. You will have -x to 1 minus x into dx. So when you will solve it, let us solve it. -1 to 0 x into, this is x plus 1. 1/2 तो आप बाहर ही निकाल लीजिए सीधा ही. ठीक है. x plus 1 whole square minus x square into dx. Same here, 1/2 बाहर आ जाएगा. 0 to 1/2. x is also there. x into, अब आप इसको सॉल्व कर लेंगे. दिस इज 1 minus x whole square, then minus of x square into dx. So after solving, बेटा यहाँ पे आपने a plus b का होल स्क्वायर का फॉर्मूला आप खोलेंगे. then what you will get? x square will cancel out. You will only left with 2x plus 1. ठीक है जी. So this is equal to 1/2 minus 1/2 to 0 into x. और इसको सॉल्व करने के बाद आपका रह जाएगा 2x plus 1 into dx plus 1/2 0 to 1/2. So when you will solve it, you are left with 1 minus 2x into dx. So again, beta, this is a very simple integration. This is 2x square plus x square. This is x square minus 2x square. ठीक है जी. So when you will take it, This is 2x square plus x, sorry, plus x. This is x minus 2x square. So when you will integrate these things, what you will get? So after integrating, what you will get? This is equal to 1 by 2. So as it is bahar tha, this is 2 by 3. This is 2 by 3 x cube plus x square by 2. ठीक है जी, इंटेग्रेशन फ्रॉम -1/2 to 0 plus 1/2 same here, x square by 2 minus 2 by 3 x cube, the limits from 0 to 1/2. So that comes out to be 1/12 minus 1/8 minus 1/12 plus 1/8. After putting all the values, so when you will solve, it comes out to be 0. Therefore, expectation of xy is 0 and expectation of x is also 0. It implies covariance between xy. The formula is expectation of xy minus expectation of x into expectation of y. This is 0 minus 0 into expectation of y. So that comes out to be 0. It implies what you will say, the variables are uncorrelated. So that's about today's talk. I hope the point is clear to all.